Okay, we have a list of standard integrals. Raise the power by 1, divide by that number. Except for the log, that's the only exception there. There's e to the x, sine, cos and sec squared, what they integrate to. We're used to using these. And we've also got these, we can put these on the list of standard integrals as well. Basically, you raise the power by 1, divide by that number, but you also put a 1 over a for the ax plus b form. Here, see it, that would be log, because it's 1 over ax plus b, log of ax plus b, and 1 over a. If you differentiate this, you see log of something goes to 1 over the something, multiplied by the something differentiated, which is a, and that will cancel with the a underneath to leave 1. So you can always differentiate these things here to get back to this using the function of a function rule and verify that they are in fact the case. So cos would go to minus sine something, so the minuses become a plus, multiplied by the something differentiated, and this differentiates to 0, and this goes to a, so you multiply by a over a is 1. So you can always check all these. So they're variations on the same theme as this table. They're often listed as standard integrals rather than looking at them from the point of view of functions. So with those thoughts in mind, then let's have a look at these. Raise the power by 1, this is a standard one. Divide by that number. Plus constant integrates to constant times x. Minus raise the power by 1. Divide by that number. Plus a k. So let's just tidy this up. The 2 can come up the top, can't it? And the 3 can stay where it is. This is okay. The minus over minus makes a plus. So we can get rid of that. And we can write x to the minus 1 as 1 over x. It's easier on the I to write it like that. Okay. This one, what we want to do here is split the fraction up. If you have 2 plus 3 sevenths, you can write that as 2 sevenths plus 3 sevenths, can't you? And that helps for us as far as this integral is concerned. So let's do that then. So it's the first term over what's underneath, plus the second term over what's underneath. The x squared over x, one of the x's cancel, and it just leaves an x, doesn't it? So I'll just put that in straight away. Integrate then, power 1, raise the power by 1, divide by that number. This is the log, integrates to log of x plus a k. Now the third one, e to the 2x, we need to use this side of the table, don't we? A is 1, a is 2, b is 0. So it's a half e to the 2x plus k, isn't it? So it's half e to the 2x plus k. Sine 4x, that would be here, and that'd be minus 1 over 4 cos of 4x plus 0. Minus 1 over 4 cosine of the 4x plus the constant of integration. Sec squared integrates to tan here, but the 1 over a comes out, doesn't it? So we have tan 5x plus k, but the 1 over 5 comes out. And then this is ln 3x minus 2, isn't it? And then the 1 over 3 comes out, plus k. This is log of, but it's a definite integral between 1 and 2. So here we don't put plus k, do we? Because it's a definite integral. So we need to evaluate that between 1 and 2, which is a third of. I'm going to take the third outside the bracket, and it will be log of top value. 6 minus 2 is 4. Take away the bottom value, put 1 in here. Log 3 minus 2 is log 1. And log 1 is 0, so it's a third log 4. And you can tap that in the calculator if you want to. Here, this is log of 3 minus x. Now if you look at what we've got above, the b is 3, and the log, where was it again? 1 over this type. B would be 3, and the a would be minus 1. That would be 3 minus x, wouldn't it? So it's 1 over minus 1 log of 3 minus x. Okay, so it's 1 over minus 1 log of 3 minus x plus k, using that formula. This we can write as a minus. Just bring the minus up to the top. This one, raise the power by 1, divide by that number. But there's a 1 over a, isn't there, comes out, so it's a minus 4 underneath plus k. Minus 1 over 24 then, underneath. So we could write the top as just 7 minus 4x on top, couldn't we? To the 6 over 24 plus k. And this one raised to the power by 1. Divide by that number. And then the ax 1 over a comes out, doesn't it? Plus k. The 2 can swing up to the top, so it's 2 over 15 of the 5x minus 1 to the 3 over 2 plus the k.